Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a day at the mall with my family. We're going to shop, eat, and have fun together. Let's go! This is my family. This is my mom. This is my dad. And this is my sister. We are very excited to go to the mall today. Now, we are getting in the car. We are on our way to the mall. It's a beautiful day today. The traffic is a little busy, but that's okay. We're listening to music and talking. I'm really excited. How long will it take to get there?
About 20 minutes.
Maybe a little longer because of traffic.
Can we listen to some music?
Of course! What do you want to listen to?
Something fun.
This is a good song.
What are we going to do first?
I want to go shopping for clothes.
I just want to eat something.
Same, I'm hungry already. Do you think it will be crowded?
Probably, it's the weekend.
That's okay. We'll have fun anyway.
Yes, today is family day. Wow, the mall is really big.
Yes, there are so many stores.
Let's walk around and see what we can find.
I'm just following you guys.
Look at that dress. It's so pretty.
Do you want to try it on?
Maybe later.
Everything looks expensive here.
Let's check the price.
Oh, yeah, it's a little expensive.
Maybe we can find something similar in another store.
Yeah, let's keep looking.
That sounds better for my wallet.
Okay, let's go to the next store.
Come on, let's see what else we can find. I like these shoes.
They look nice. Do they fit you?
I think so. I want to try them.
Let's check your size first.
I usually wear size 38.
Try this pair too. They look really stylish.
Yeah, I like this one better. Excuse me, do you have these in size 38? Yes, I'll get them for you.
I hope they're comfortable.
Me too. Okay, I'm trying them on.
Do they feel tight?
No, they fit perfectly.
That's important. Comfort comes first.
Are they good for walking a lot?
Yes, they feel very soft.
I like the color too.
Yeah, it matches everything.
You can wear them with jeans or dresses.
Okay, but how much are they?
Let's check the price. They're a bit expensive.
But they look durable.
And very comfortable.
I think they're worth it.
All right, let's take them.
Yes, I'm getting these shoes.
Good choice.
I'm really hungry now.
Me too. There are so many options.
Let's look around before we choose.
I already know what I want.
What do you want, Dad?
A burger and fries.
I want pizza.
I think I'll get a salad.
I'm not sure everything looks good.
Look, they have ice cream too.
We can get dessert later.
Yes, first real food.
Okay, let's order.
Can I have a cheeseburger and a soda, please?
I'll have a slice of pizza and juice.
One burger combo, please.
And a chicken salad.
Let's find a table.
There's one over there.
Perfect, let's sit.
This looks so good.
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Careful, it's hot.
Enjoy your meal, everyone.
This burger is really good.
My pizza is amazing.
The salad is fresh.
Best part of the day.
Can we get ice cream now?
Already?
Yes, let's go.
Okay, but just one scoop each.
Wow, look at this, an ice skating rink.
That looks so fun.
I don't know. It looks a little scary.
Come on, let's try it.
Have you ever skated before?
No, this is my first time.
I tried once, a long time ago.
I think I still remember how.
Okay, let's get the skates.
I'm excited.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Whoa, it's slippery.
I can't balance.
Be careful.
Hold my hand.
Okay, I think I'm getting it.
No, I'm not.
This is harder than I thought.
You're doing great.
Look at me, I'm skating.
Wait for me.
I'm going very slowly.
That's okay. Take your time.
Ah, I almost fell.
Careful.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
This is so fun.
I love it.
Okay, now I like it too.
Best idea ever.
This ice cream looks so good.
Yes, I can't wait to try it.
What flavor did you get?
I got chocolate.
I chose strawberry.
I got vanilla. Nice and simple.
Let's try it.
It's delicious.
Wow, this is really good.
Perfect for a hot day.
Do you want to try mine?
Yes, let me taste it. Wow, chocolate is so good.
I want to try yours too.
Careful, it's melting.
You have to eat fast.
My hands are getting cold.
This is the best part of the day.
I agree.
It's a perfect family day.
Can we come here again?
Of course. I love days like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this day at the mall with my family. Subscribe for more English videos and daily conversations. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.